أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. والنازعات غرقا والناشطات نشطا والسابحات سبحا فالسابقات سبقا فالمدبرات أمرا يوم ترجف الراجفة تتبعها الرادفة قلوب يومئذ واجفة أبصارها خاشعة يقولون أئنا لمردودون في الحافرة أئذا كنا عظاما نخرة قالوا تلك إذا كرة خاسرة فإنما هي زجرة واحدة فإذا هم بالساهرة. هل أتاك حديث موسى إذ ناداه ربه بالواد المقدس طوى اذهب إلى فرعون إنه طغى فقل هل لك إلى أن تزكى وأهديك إلى ربك فتخشى فأراه الآية الكبرى فكذب وعصى ثم أدبر يسعى فحشر فنادى فقال أنا ربكم الأعلى فأخذه الله نكال الآخرة والأولى إن في ذلك لعبرة لمن يخشى أأنتم أشد خلقا أم السماء بناها رفع سمكها فسواها وأغطش ليلها وأخرج ضحاها والأرض بعد ذلك دحاها أخرج منها ماءها ومرعاها والجبال أرساها متاعا لكم ولأنعامكم فإذا جاءت الطامة الكبرى يوم يتذكر الإنسان ما سعى وبرزت الجحيم لمن يرى فأما من طغى وآثر الحياة الدنيا فإن الجحيم هي المأوى وأما من خاف مقام ربه ونهى النفس عن الهوى فإن الجنة هي المأوى يسألونك عن الساعة أيان مرساها فيم أنت من ذكراها إلى ربك منتهاها إنما أنت منذر من يخشاها كأنهم يوم يرونها لم يلبثوا إلا عشية أو ضحاها.
By those angels who extract with violence, and by those who remove with ease, and by those who glide as if swimming. Then press forward as in a race, and those who arrange each matter on the day the blast of the horn will convulse creation. Followed by oft-repeated commotions, hearts that day will tremble, their eyes humbled. They say, shall we indeed be returned to our former state of life? Even if we should be decayed bones? They say, that, then, would be a losing return. Indeed, it will be but one shout. And suddenly they will be alert upon the earth's surface. Has there reached you the story of Moses? When his Lord called him in the sacred valley of Tuwa. Go to Pharaoh. Indeed, he has transgressed. And say to him, would you be willing to purify yourself? And let me guide you to your Lord so you would fear him. And he showed him the greatest sign, but Pharaoh denied and disobeyed, and he gathered his people and called out, saying, I am your Lord, Most High. So Allah seized him in exemplary punishment for the last and the first transgression. Indeed, in that is a warning for whoever would fear Allah. Are you a more difficult creation, or is the heaven? Allah constructed it. He raised its ceiling and proportioned it. And he darkened its night and extracted its brightness. And after that he spread the earth. He extracted from it its water and its pasture, and the mountains he set firmly, as provision for you and your grazing livestock. But when there comes the greatest overwhelming calamity, the day when man shall remember what he strove for, and hellfire will be exposed for all those who see, so as for he who transgressed and preferred the life of the world. Verily, his abode will be hellfire, but as for he who feared the position of his Lord and prevented the soul from unlawful inclination, verily, paradise will be his abode. They ask you, O Muhammad, about the hour, when is its arrival? You have no knowledge to say anything about it. To your Lord is its finality. You are only a warner for those who fear it. The day they see it, it will be as if they had not tarried in this world, except an afternoon or a morning.
وَلَقَدْ صَرَّفْنَا فِي هَذَا الْقُرْآنِ لِيَذَّكَّرُوا وَمَا يَزِيدُهُمْ إِلَّا نُفُورًا.
And we have certainly diversified the contents in this Quran that mankind may be reminded, but it does not increase the disbelievers except in aversion.